Can someone explain to me the physics of this? Huh? Oh, the wind's gonna pull this thing away. Oh, there it goes. It's out. That was really close.
It's the goddamn wind.
The last ones were a lot bigger. These ones are still a little small. Yeah! Coach running! Yeah! So hold on to the kickoff here. Their kicker is bigger than their entire team. City's that kick going to be returned by number 80, and he stops immediately. Oh, God! Oh, God! It's 3rd and 8 now, so we got to get a conversion here. Passing this one, and it is incomplete. Our kicker's going to be coming out, but it's hard to do this because it's windy. Let's hope he can make it. Snap, kick, that's good. Let's go. It's good. It's great. Kicking it off. This one's going to go straight, I'm going to say. So, oh no, it's going to the left. This one's going to be caught. Going to be returned. There he is right there. Taken down. 4th and 5. It's the big play on 4th and 5.
Oh yeah, who did that?
Oh no, they're punting it. And they're going to let it roll. So right there. I thought they were passing it, but there it is. Here we go. There's the ball right there. Oh, damn. We got a fucking hit. 3rd and 4. There we go. First. Let's go. Oh, shit. All right, 1st and 10. Nothing back. There's the run. Nice gain. Let's go. Let's go. And he's out of bounds. Ball is now on the 20. Where is the ball? Oh, got hit. Oh, into the end zone. Touchdown, but there's a flag. Hold on, there's a flag. Confetti's coming in, but it might not even be a touchdown. Oh, it's holding on us, and there goes the confetti. Shot for no reason. Where's the ball? Oh, there it is. Drop back. Open. Go. Got it. Go. 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 Oh! Touchdown! Juked his ass right out. Now the extra point, and oh, he might have missed it. It's good, bro. It's good. He's gonna kick this one right. I think so, just by the way his feet are lined up. It was a little more straight, but that's all right. Destroy him, please. Oh, he's over there. What the fuck? Got him. I don't even know where the ball is because I can't see that. Okay, he has it. Oh, we got destroyed. Let's go. It's not a first. 4th and 5. Looks like they're punting it. I see the punter out there behind the ref. They are. Doink. It is up in the air. Okay, it's going to be down right. Oh, okay, right there. Right behind the quarterback. No, we're not. Number 2 is going to get it. Stays on his feet. And he's destroyed down by everyone else on that team. Sending 15 over there, sending 2 over there, and a timeout called by us. They'd be pissed off. Yeah, coach is pissed. There's 14. Sitting back, is he gonna pass it, or is he going deep? Going deep. PI! Flag! Flag! Oh, that's bullshit. Throw that flag. Okay. There we go. Oh! And I'll let Joe Buck say it. Yes, we are. We're doink. Very high. Very high. Just gonna let it drop, let it roll, and stop. Right there. That's where they get the ball. Watch number 11. I have a bad feeling about him. Nope, it's gonna be number 31. Number 31. Oh no. Oh no. Got him down finally. Yeah, that's a big game for him. Interception would be nice. What was that? He went nowhere with that. Go right from it here. It'll probably be like a 50-yarder, and they jumped off sides. Let's go. Here. And they don't. Oh, yes, they are. Oh, look, they did. What just happened? Did we strip it? We got it. We stripped it out. We stripped it out. That's our ball. No, it's not. I guess not. It was a fumble. Let's go. We get it. Let's go. Let's make it 17-0. Where's the ball? There he is, over there. Damn! Slammed. Here we go. 3rd and 18. Of course, we're still going to run it. It might work. Oh, it didn't work. Actually, it might have worked. I don't know. Did it work? I don't know.
Is a Brooks Grocery first down for the
Yep,
Rockets.
that's a first. Let's go. Oh, dropping back now. Pass is caught. And he's taken down. Couple raindrops starting to fall now. Oh! Oh! Cover number 2. Here we go. Drop back. Get open. Get open. Right there. Got it for the first. Fight. Get there. Let's go. Let's go. 3rd and goal now from the 7. Need to make something happen. Got a feeling my passer here. We will. Got to get someone open right there. Oh, it's going to go to a field goal now. Now for the field goal. It's up and it is good. It is going to land right there and drops it. Then our kicker number 4. Here you go. Here you go. Number 1. Don't. Oh, fumble. Big hit. Destroy him. Yeah! Get it up to 5. They got 50 seconds again to field goal range. Scoreboard! The run to number 1 again. Goes nowhere. What a hit. Helmet's out. It's 3rd and 6. Gonna run it to number 1. Oh no, they get Steffi got the roll. They might have not got the first. No, they got the first. It's fine. Guys down right there. And there's a timeout by them. 12 seconds. Pass, they got it to him. Taken down. 4 seconds. Nothing's gonna happen. And they take the last timeout. 3 seconds to make one play. Here we go. Or just sack them. Under pressure, just sack them. That works good. Let's go. Nice way to end the half. 13-0. Transfer to the 4th quarter after we see the kickoff. Doink. And he's taken finally. The reason I want to do this is because I'm playing football. So see y'all in the 4th quarter. All right, 4th quarter now. We have the ball. We're going to punt it away. Went for the block, didn't get it. That one's just gonna roll over there. Oh, they're gonna take it right there. And the rain's coming down a little bit harder now. Of course they're gonna run this one to number 1, like they always do, but he goes nowhere. So yeah, damn, they just got the first down on 3rd and 2, so damn. Oh damn. Well, they definitely got the first. 2nd and 13. Oh, they're going to pass it to the end zone. Knocked away. Let's go. 3rd and 10. This is a big one. Dropping back. Pass to the end zone. Holy shit. Wow. Damn, that was a catch.
Is he a boot? Is he a boot?
I don't know. No good. You suck. No good. That was as good as his field goal. It's 3rd and 5. We need 5. Might have done it. Oh, I don't know if that was 5.
Number 1, Chris Davis on the carry for the Rockets.
Please be 5.
Result of the play is a Brooks Grocery first down.
Let's go. 3rd and 5, bro. This is a real big one. Damn it. Fuck. My phone is not enjoying the weather. And we're kicking a field goal. It's good. Oh, it's just wide. It's really coming down hard now. And yeah, I'm still recording in it because I care about this game. Here we go to number 1. And he stops. It's going to be a big 3rd down play right here. Come on. Stop him right here on 3rd. Someone jumped, it looked like. Oh, fuck. Shit. Pick that. Yeah, no. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. This is it for the game. On 4th and 6. Here we go. Going deep. Knock it away. Yeah. Knocked away. Let's go. There is 25 seconds. Please just knee this ball. We will. That one will take us to the end of the game, most likely. Let's go.